Monica Aguilar, and I choose the book The Family Under the Bridge by Natalie Savage Carson. I choose this book because it teaches how how to help each other in life and how to be kind to people and how important is the family. You know, more than the materials or the things that like the houses or the walls or anything. It's more important to the feelings, the kindness, the help to each other than anything else. That's why I chose this book. I think it's very interesting. The book has a setting. The setting on the book, through the book, when you're reading the book, it shows the setting that is in Paris, in the under the bridge of Paris. This character, the character that is the hobo on the story, that is called Armand. He's walking around the streets because he doesn't have no house to live. He doesn't worry about rent, he doesn't worry about burglars, nothing. He just walk all the street, doesn't have no house, and he feel free that way. He didn't like children. He stated on the first page of the book that he didn't like children. Returning to the setting, in some part of the book, it says that the first page it says, "Was a cold day with the gray hanging on the very shiny paths of Paris," and it was Christmas, it says on the book. And there's another pages more forward that is in page 7. It says, "Anything exciting could happen under a Paris bridge." The bridge is the more setting on the story and the streets of Paris, because the characters were all walking around the streets, trying to get money by singing, trying to see the Father of Christmas that the children wants to see. The main character of the story is the hobo, the Armand. That's he's the main character, and the 3 children that were under the bridge, and the mom of those 3 children. But the more story go with the 3 children and the hobo. The hobo Armand, that's his name. He didn't like children at the first time, at the beginning of the story, but through the story, when he find the children, he started liking the children, and he likes to be part of their life. So the character very important on this book. Now this book has a plot. The plot is that the hobo was alone, and then when he went back to his bridge, he found this family with 3 children that were under the bridge waiting for their mom, because they say that their mom have them there because they lose their house and they didn't want to go to a shelter, and they want to stay together as a family. That's the plot. It has a lot of events. The children went under the bridge, then they went with the hobo through the city, and they tried to look for the Father of Christmas, and they asked for a house to the Father of Christmas. They want a house, they want a place to live with their mom. So then they went to sing to get money because they were hungry, and they sing, and the people like how they sing, and they start giving money to them. So that's the way they try to survive, you know. But the style, I think, on the book is very a lot of description of the style. It has a lot of, they tell you how everything looks like, how for example, when for example, it says at the end of the story, it says, "It isn't walls and furniture that makes a home, it's a family." So that makes like a very descriptive bit, what the story was about. It tells you what the children look like, what they were doing. They're under the kill when the hobo find them. They were all with their blankets, and how they look like, how their eye colors look like. So I think it's very description what's going on in this story. The theme of this story was that the family is very important. It's nothing like I don't like children, or the characters on the story find out that the family is very important more than anything else. The feelings, the respect to each other, the help to each other. They try to help each other to survive, and finally at the end, they they have a successful life, because at the end he find a job, and then finally they got a house. After all their hard work, they got a house at the end. So I think it's very important. That's what I like the book, because this tell the reader that if you work hard, you can get, you can succeed in life. So I think the setting of the story was in Paris, under the bridge. The plot was all the events that happened, that the hobo find the family under the bridge, and he tried, between both of them, the family and the hobo, they try to help each other. The hobo take the children to walk to the city, and he helped when they said the children were hungry. He tried to say, "Oh, let's sing, so we can get money." So they like worship, like show to the children that working they can get something. So at the end they got what they want, that's the house. And the characters are very important in this book, because it was a hobo, the three children, the mom at the end, at first she didn't accept this man, but at the end she found out that it was that he was helping her, and they were like a family. So the characters plays an important place in this book. The style, the descriptions of Paris, the descriptions that say how Paris looks like, it was cold, the description on the things that the characters were doing. There's a lot of description that use your imagination, how the environment or how the things look like in the book. The book is like you're in the book, like you imagine what's the thing, because the description they give you. And the theme is like, it's very nice to help, be kind with people, because you can succeed in life. This is the ending of the book. I think I recommend this book. It's very good. I mean, it teaches the readers, the children, that if you work hard and you help each other, you can succeed in life. Thank you.